I was just wondering if I come and ask a question.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Thank you. I'm in no rush.
Just trying to get things sorted.
So am I.
There we go.
That's okay.
Okay.
I was just wondering, I was looking at my birth certificate here,
Mm-hmm.
and I noticed that everything on it is identified on the front, except for this number on the back. And I was wondering if you could tell me what that number is.
Probably just the number it was dispersed, and I don't know really.
Yeah, that number is on the front.
Can't tell you, darling, what's for. To be truthful with you, they all have numbers on the back, but I thought it was just that whatever number they were, they're sent out in, like, that might have been just the certificate number or something.
It took me a long time to find out what that number actually is.
What is it?
And it's a bond tracking number.
Is it?
Yeah, when a child is registered for a birth certificate in Canada, the value of the Treasury goes up $1.2 million, and they create a bond that's floated on the financial market.
Oh, yeah.
And that turns out to be $400,000 approximately federal transfer payments a year.
Yeah.
You'll notice that my name is spelled wrong on it too, because there's only one way in the English language to spell a proper noun, and that's uppercase, lowercase. I filed a $22 million lien with the provincial government in Ontario against that name. Yeah, it's my property.
Yeah.
This here is from Mr. Corbett.
Okay.
It's a denial of consent to be governed and several claimed rights.
What's it about? What do you mean, what is it?
The Supreme Court has ruled that we have the right to deny consent to be governed.
Okay.
I have one here that I'm bringing down to the Civic Service Arm.
Yeah.
It's addressed to all the peace officers here in town. I'm a free man on the land, I'm a sovereign individual, and I will not be held accountable for statutory laws that do not apply to me. Under the Interpretation Act of Canada, the word person means corporation. So under the entire Criminal Code of Canada and the Drug and Controlled Substances Act, the word person is corporation. I'm a human being, not a corporation. So I'm just here to say I'm not going to be tricked anymore. And
Good for you.
and I do not abandon the law. I covet the law, and then I can't live with trickery afoot.
Yeah.
So
Do you obey the law? Do you obey it at any time?
statute laws or the law, like gravity is a law. You have to obey that.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
The Canadian Criminal Code is an act. That's a collection of statutes, and they only apply to corporations.
Yeah.
Under the Interpretation Act of Canada, person means corporation. Under the
So it
Uniform
applies to
Commercial
you
Code,
then,
it can apply to me. It would be impossible because a corporation is a fiction. I'm a human being.
Yeah.
If it doesn't say,
So that means that anything that's in that criminal code or anything else like that, there, you don't have to follow it. You
exactly.
don't have to follow.
But Canada is still a common law jurisdiction. I
Yeah.
still have to follow the common law.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't hurt another living human being.
Yeah.
That's all. Awesome. Thank you. Have a good day.
Sure.